One of the most heated political topics currently is surrounding the recent revoke of DACA, or the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals. On September 5, 2017, President Donald Trump ordered the end of DACA, causing an immediate outcry. Shortly after, a petition in support of DACA made its rounds on my college campus. Knowing very little about this program, I conducted my own research, came to my own conclusions, and am aiming to present this unbiased information to you. I will not present my opinion on the matter to you, nor will I try to sway you to a particular political agenda. Instead, I aim to help educate about the political and social issues in America. What is DACA? This is a program that was created through executive order by former President Obama in 2012. It is designed to offer protection against deportation for undocumented children brought to the United States by their parents who are also illegal immigrants. In order to find unbiased information about DACA, the official website of the Department of Homeland Security and the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services is a good place to go. This website includes the following quote. On June 15, 2012, the Secretary of Homeland Security announced that certain people who came to the United States as children and meet several guidelines may request consideration of deferred action for a period of 2 years, subject to renewal. They are also eligible for work authorization. Deferred action is a use of prosecutorial discretion to defer removal action against an individual for a certain period of time. Deferred action does not provide lawful status. Before we really begin to understand what this means, we first need to dissect the meaning of deferred action. Immigration Equality, the nation's leading LGBTQ community immigration rights organization, provides this definition. Deferred action is a discretionary limited immigration benefit by Department of Homeland Security, or DHS. It can be granted to individuals who are in removal proceedings, who have final orders of removal, or who have never been in removal proceedings. Individuals who have deferred action status can apply for employment and authorization and are in the U.S. under color of law. However, there is no direct path from deferred action to lawful permanent residence or to citizenship, and it can be revoked at any time. It is important to note that DACA does not lead to lawful residency or lawful citizenship, and it can be revoked at any time. Also, it allows undocumented people to work and make money in the United States by providing a work permit. By understanding what deferred action is, we can begin understanding the requirements that must be met to be eligible for consideration or application for DACA. The following list was taken from the DHS and USCIS website. A person is applicable or may request DACA if 1. He or she was under the age of 31 as of June 15, 2012. 2. He or she came to the United States before reaching a 16th birthday. 3. He or she has continuously resided in the United States since June 15, 2007 up to the present time. 4. He, she was physically present in the United States on June 15, 2012, and at the time of making the request for consideration of deferred action with USCIS. 5. He or she had no lawful status on June 15, 2012. 6. He or she is currently in school, has graduated or obtained a certificate of completion from high school, has obtained a general education development or GED certificate, or is an honorably discharged veteran of the Coast Guard or Armed Forces of the United States. And 7. He or she has not been convicted of a felony, significant misdemeanor, or 3 or more other misdemeanors, and do not otherwise pose a threat to national security or public safety. What do these requirements imply? First, a person could live in this country for a maximum of 30 years unlawfully and could still be given protection against being removed from the country under DACA. Second, it indicates that a person could graduate from high school or complete a GED and or join the United States Armed Forces without being a legal citizen. And third, DACA allows people without legal citizenship to join the workforce. According to PBS, or Public Broadcasting Station, on September 5th, 2017, was reported that Trump shut down the program and ordered new program to be put in its place by March 2018. PBS is quoted, "Under the plan, the DACA program will end on March 5, 2018. Effective immediately, the Department of Homeland Security will not accept new applications for the program. The roughly 800,000 people who are currently protected under the program won't see their status change immediately, but could be vulnerable to deportation if Congress does not pass a law by March granting them protection. The 6-month delay was intended to give Congress enough time to replace the program with a permanent legislative solution." Put plainly, if a new plan isn't created by March 2018, the 800,000 DACA recipients face possible deportation unless they become a citizen. American Immigration Center outlines the process of becoming a legal citizen. First, immigrants must become legal permanent residents, which means to obtain a green card. Once a green card is obtained, citizenship can be applied for after being green card holders for 5 years. However, anyone who is married to a legal citizen, the process from green card to citizenship takes roughly 3 years. It should be noted that anyone who receives a green card after receiving asylum status can become a citizen in 4 years from the date of receiving their green card. Also, there are a few requirements that permanent residents need to meet in order to apply for U.S. citizenship. Applicants need to show that they were present in the United States for 30 months within the 5-year period. Likewise, people applying for U.S. citizenship based on their marriage to U.S. citizens must establish that they were present in the country for 18 months within the 3-year period. That quote comes directly from U.S. Immigration Center. Citizen cost. U.S. Immigration Center also outlines the cost to become a citizen. One of the biggest factors that keep people from becoming natural citizens is the cost. Naturalization costs $725. This fee covers the $640 application price and $85 for background checks, which is also known as the biometric fees. What many people are not aware of is that if the full price cannot be paid, credit cards may be used, and fee waivers can be submitted. On this website for the American Immigration Center, there are forms that will allow you to submit these things. Now, what does it take to be eligible for DACA? Citizen Path, a website designed to make immigration forms easy, outlines this. Apart from the requirements listed above, DACA applicants must pay $465 total for their application, $388 for the application fee, and $85 for the biometric fee as well. This is the total flat fee for everyone, regardless of race or gender. Credit cards may not be used for DACA, and a few possibilities exist for fee waivers. On the same website, 3 possibilities for waivers are found. 1, if you can provide proof that you are under 18, have an income less than 150% of the poverty level, and or are homeless and are in foster care and have no familial support. 2, if you are chronically disabled and also have an income of less than 150% of the poverty level. And 3, if you have incurred $10,000 or more in medical debt in the last 10 months and also have an income of less than 150% of the poverty level. This website provides a table to illustrate the 150% poverty level in the United States for households of varying sizes. It is against this income the fee waivers are based. In conclusion, there are just a few questions to ponder after this information. 1. In situations involving a DACA recipient committing a crime, does DACA prevent the lawful pursuit of justice? 2. Are more people willing to stay protected under DACA because it is a cheaper one-time payment versus that of becoming a citizen? And because DACA is renewable, does that encourage more people to stay under its protection? 3. What keeps DACA recipients from starting the process of becoming legal citizens as soon as possible? And 4. How important is legal citizenship in the United States to you? All sources are linked below. Thank you for watching.